What's going on, lads? Back with another video. Guess where we are? The shed. Anyway, yeah, so myself and Dawson were actually here early this morning and late yesterday evening working away on this exhaust. This is a rally car that we are sponsoring, and I don't know why we're sponsoring this rally car because it has the most crashes in the whole of Ireland. But anyway, seemed like a good idea. This is our good friend Tommy's brother's car, Kevin. Yeah, Kevin's car. Ae86 Corolla. I will show you.
Reason why you sponsored it.
Yeah, so basically I said it'd be fair cool to have two cars sponsored this year. Jeez, that light's fucking bright. But so we have Ewan's Ae86 drift car, and then we have this rally car. So yeah, I'll just show you what we've done on this. So basically changed manifold, V-band, flexi, nice bit of wabbing pipe up over the axle, Simon's back box, and then back out the back. Now I would give you a good look around this car, which is a bit worse for we are at the minute, so we'll wait till he freshens up a bit and we'll get more content on this car. But yeah, we're going to have a bit of a twin cam day today, and we have another one outside, so let's show you, yeah, let's just show you stuff. Don't judge the front of this car, it's looking a bit worse for we are at the minute, but she has a lovely 4H 16 valve running on carbs. She sounds, well, I don't know actually, we haven't started back up yet. Sounded a bit rough anyway, but I think that was because all the broken exhaust and stuff on it. But other than that, the car's grand. If you've seen these lads already, it's just so funny to watch. They're just two mad cunts.
Last time we were rallying, Tommy was meant to be calling notes, but instead he was ringing us and texting us, asking us where we were on the bends and letting us know where he was.
No, it's not. The car's actually, no, it's not in bad shape. She took a couple of bangs this on the last time out, but she's fully ready to go on inside. Full cage, new suspension box in it, a big absolute unit of a wanding for doing the handbrake turns. I know, I wouldn't mind an old Born without a back rod or something. They all sound the same, every single one of them. Right, we got one twin cam out, another twin cam in. Now, this is absolutely beautiful. For those who can and can't tell the difference, this is a booter. So obviously you've seen booters before, some of you might know difference, some of you mightn't. So they came in two different models again. They came true note with the pop-up lights and 11 with the square lights. I think this is definitely something that I have to buy next, because I just think I need to have one of each. This is a really clean example. This car's been packed up for a good while, doesn't really get out that much. So we're just going to give it a look over and a little freshen up for the owner so she can get it out for the summer. Yeah, this car is, where did she say it came in from? It was Malta. Malta. Yeah, this car came the whole way from Malta, which is pretty cool, and I'll show you.
Absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, it's spotless. I'll show you the interior. So it's absolutely pristine inside. It's cool because it even has the factory rugs in it, which are like fucking shag carpet or something. Show you under the bay. Everything is kind of, the steering wheel is actually a bit mad. I don't know what kind of a steering wheel that is, but ready. Every one of them. So engine's kind of, well, it's fairly standard, bar the manifold. Obviously it's actually a nice manifold. So you'd have a look at this manifold. It is blowing, but we think we found where that's blowing from, so that should be handy enough. And then we're going to remake a new induction case. This one, it's all withered and everything, so get that done, get the car up in the lift, give it a general look over, and yeah, just love working on twin cams. So I just want to give you a look at the inside of the boot on this car. Oh my god, I'm always doing this with the fucking torch, I know. So as you can see, someone really took care of this car, which is pretty cool to see. It's absolutely spotless, to be fair. So why can't my cars ever look this clean? Because I wreck them.
So from the last clip Shambo showed you of how clean the car was, I also figured out that this brake caliper, the sliders on it were seized, so that's fixed, taken off, greased, cleaned. ready to go. She also wants a new induction kit made for this. She bought a brand new HKS air filter, and she thought that she had a crack in the manifold, but I don't know if you can see, it's kind of hard to see, but right, we're not going to see it from here. I'll show you. Right, I'll lift the car and I'll show you. But anyway, it's the sensor goes into the exhaust. The flange on it is a bit warped from heat over time. So what I've done is I've took it off with a bit of hardship. Someone, when the bolt broke, someone MIG welded the side of it to hold it on, but it wasn't good enough that it was blowing. So it's going to make a gasket up for it, put 2 new nuts and bolts into it, and yeah, I'll show you when it's fitted. Okay, so where I was on about is right here, this little lad here. So I've tried my best to get it on while leaving the manifold intact, and it has defeated me. So I'm gonna take the manifold off, get it on. As you can see, gasket's made for it, so I'm gonna take it off, yeah, and get it together, and I will show you it on and then putting it back together. So in my head earlier on, I was doing so well. When I looked at it, I was like, oh, definitely be able to get that on with manifold still on the car, but obviously I couldn't. It got defeated. So what I done was took it off. I'm going to clean down the face of this, as the gasket is made. So I just put 2 nuts on the bottom and tacked it, just to make life easier for the next person to come along if they need to change it for whatever reason, if it goes. So yeah, I'm hoping that this is going to work. So I'm gonna get the sensor now and try to get it on, and yeah, hopefully it works. If it doesn't, I'm screwed. So one of the lads called in with this little absolute gem MX5 with a TD05 turbo strapped onto it, well built, jab speed rad, a lot of nice bits on it. I took it for a spin, and it should not drive how it drives because it's such a small car, but it is absolutely class. Like, it's so small, but it sounds so well as well. What a car. Yeah, so in the next while we'll be doing a little bit of work on this, and hopefully we'll get a video of it out driving somewhere to show you, but for now, yeah, this thing is sick. Now that's the manifold back on, everything bolted back up nice and tight. Sensor is on, if you can see it down there, with the gasket nuts bolted on the bottom, so easy to take on and off. So just going to jack it up, connect back up the exhaust, and then start on making the induction kit for it.
Right, I'm back on the camera again. Dawson took the lead role on this one because I was trying to sort me international driving license for Japan, so a bit of a pain in the hole, but it had to be done. So Dawson's getting handy on the old TIG welder. Eddie's getting handy on the sitting down.
He's getting good.
He's getting good at it. No, he's getting good at showing up.
At least I'm sitting down here.
Hey, does anyone remember this fella, no?
I went a bit fond of the booze, you know what I mean? Hey, there's some yokes bone technology.
So anyway, Dawson took over. He got the induction kit done, so it looks fucking savage. Yes, the filter does look a bit small, but she said that if it did look small, she's going to get a new one. So actually, give her a start up and we see how it sounds. So we're waiting for the owner to come down to the swing cam to collect that, and we're waiting for another job to come. So my car needs to go for wrapping, as you would have seen. So we have the VSKF on this side, and we have a small little race wheel on that side. So basically what I have to do is re-lip one of the VSKFs so I can put it on the car. So I'll show you. I have one here. Has the standard lip on it, as you can see, which is not much. So what I need to do is cut the lip here, straight down the centre, smack it off with a hammer, and let's build a new VSKF. Right, so I cut the lip, as you can see. It's a very messy job. That's the old lip gone. Give it a quick grind down. So I have my silicone. have new lip. So that looks lovely in there, and I have the VSKF. I'll unwrap that now. I'm just going to count all the nuts, bolts, make sure I have everything for this before I go taking it apart, or sorry, trying to put it together. Right, so I have my new lip, have the bolts, have the tools I need, have the old barrel, and have the VSKF, freshly powder coated chrome, and a red center cap. So I'm not going to try to record doing this part, but yeah, I'll just show you. And just like that, we have a new rim. Now, as you can see, I am not the neatest person in the world with a bit of sealer, but I don't care, look how good they look. So I'm going to leave this set overnight, and then Anto is going to put a tyre on it for me tomorrow, and hopefully the spacers might arrive and we can get that car finished and get that car off the wrapping Sunday if we can. So that'd be cool. So for now I'm going to just start putting more of the kit back on the other side of the car. Right, so looks like I didn't make a cunt of it anyway because it's holding air, so that's ready to go in the car. So I have the car fully jacked up now. That wheel is to go on there. I need to fit the over fender on the back. We try sort out the brakes, empty out the car a little. Yeah, try get this loaded up on a trailer tonight and send it for wrapping. And DJ is outside doing 25 Corolla. How are we?
How we go?
Are you excited about your trip to Japan?
I'm awfully very excited.
Awfully excited.
Yeah.
Why are you? How we look? Show me. Come out and show us.
I'm doing a few bits and pieces.
Yeah.
Right. What happened is, it started off with an E10 Corolla. So Philip bought a lovely 20 valve engine for it. They're not the easiest conversions to do because of the wiring, and what I had to figure out was, see, they use 11 dash loom and 11 clocks, and
have a look at the absolute spaghetti.
Absolute spaghetti. So
yeah,
we're kind of trying to turn a Toyota Corolla E10 into
see that?
Toyota 11.
I get sick now, walk away. But that's why we have one lad for every. Now watch this. So what's this going to sound like? Won't sound like it now. So basically, yeah, this is why we have one lad for every type of job in Fitzfab, because we have me for welding, DJ for the heavy mechanics and all this, Dawson for plumbing, and Connor for all the agricultural stuff. Yeah.
No, just coming to the end of it now. To have a couple more wires to do, and should be breaking brand now.
Show you the engine. Apologise for the from the wind.
Yeah, nice little setup now.
Yeah, lovely.
Nice
So,
little now.
hopefully this will be finished up now today and we can get this back to its owner as well. But for now I'm going to go in and keep tipping on my 180, and before anyone says it, yes, I'm going to finish it, don't worry. Right, so we said we'd give the car some loving before we put on the over fender. Go on, you might as well write on it as well.
Might as well do.
Hey, there's a lovely spot.
Pick your spot.
You all this area here.
The whole thing. All this area. Right.
You can't go past this corner though.
I'm sure it says Hague or Hag.
I'm not sure what that says.
Hacksaw.
You saw it here first. Right, so I absolutely just got stuck into this car. As you can see, got the over fender on. I actually have the car up on the trailer now. Yeah, I was trying to record it, but then I was actually I started getting really under time crunch to get this car ready. So we are locked, loaded on the trailer. Just kind of, we have no windscreen, so I just put something just in case it starts raining. But yeah, that's us ready to go for wrapping. So yeah, that pretty much wraps it up for this video. Sorry I couldn't record a bit more, but sure, it's only just fitting the kit on the car. I was just trying to get it done because the trailer was coming, wanted to get it loaded up because your man was under pressure as well. So yeah, so that's all for me. If you like what you see, like, comment, subscribe. Good luck.